Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and I have another tutorial of drawing and coloring today for you. So without delaying, let's start drawing. Friends, I'm using here A4 size 90 GSM printer paper. You can use any other paper. Why I am using a printer paper? Because this is very smooth and doesn't have any texture. So start with the drawing by making some hills. I keep my drawings very simple so that any children and adults can follow it. Make two U overlapping each other. These are cats, so you need to make the body as well. For eyes, you need to make straight lines. V nose. On the straight lines, you have to make half circles. Inside half circles you have to make another circle. Make a tail. For creating the background I am using more hills, making more hills in the background. First make it in the complete way upon the cats also, and then later on you can erase, otherwise the continuity will be broken. To give it a more meaning, I will add few of the trees, and tree drawing also I am keeping simple. You need to make a upside down drop shape. Make the trees both sides. Still there is a lot of place above the cats in the background, so I will use clouds there. Draw the clouds. My drawing is almost complete. Erase all the lines which are overlapping on trees or any other object like cats. Outline with the marker. Now erase all the pencil lines which are under the marker. Guys, if you're feeling anywhere that it's difficult to make so many trees, you can make less trees also, like shown in this drawing. Now let's move to the coloring. We need oil pastels to color it. You can use any brand. I have Camel Bun and they're pretty good to go with. You can use any other brand. Friends, while coloring with oil pastels, always color from top to bottom of the drawing so that your hand should not rub any of the coloring. Start with the sky, and this time I am using red color to fill the sky. It will be red, orange, yellow shades. This is normal primary red color. Now I have taken vermilion hue, blended with red color, which you have already done. For blending I am using color upon color technique. I am not using any tissue or the finger for blending the colors. Now I have taken orange, now the yellow shades. Start with deep yellow and then the medium yellow. Continue in the whole sky with the same shades. I will repeat again: red, vermilion hue, orange, deep yellow and the medium yellow. For the clouds I am using deep yellow and the medium yellow, outlining it with red color and blend it with deep yellow. The red color will make the black outline more blur and it will give a soft look to the clouds, and the clouds will more look like a part of the sky which is already having red color in there. Finish the complete sky and the clouds in the same way. Now coming to the trees, I'm using sap green and the light green. Black to create the depth. Merge it with sap green. First you do sap green, then light green, then again you do black, then again you need to merge it with sap green and light green. I hope it's clear. The same manner we will do in the hills. First you use sap green, then light green and blend it nicely. Then use black. Black will create the depth and it will also help to get merged with the all outlining which we have done already. If we don't use black, it will look like incomplete and will not have any depth in it. So don't forget to use black and blend it nicely with sap green. If you leave it like outline, it will not look nice. Blending is very necessary. The same manner you need to do all the trees and all the background hills. Now the cats, I'm using here the dark violet and it's rose pink color. I have used white also to get it merged because it was getting difficult to smoothen the color and the paper was not taking the color so well. So I used white color to get it to make it more dull and merged properly. I am creating a dot pattern here on the cat's body with dark violet color. For the other cat, I am using Persian blue for the most of the part and the little bit cerulean blue, blending it with cerulean blue, and to blend it properly I am using white color. That will create the highlight also. Use black color to make it darker or create depth one side. If the color is not merging properly, I am using my finger also to merge it and make it more soft look. Black color to make the dots. In the other cat I have used only the violet, dark violet color to make the dots, but in this I am using black color. As blue itself is very dark colored, upon that we need to use black color. For coloring the eyeball of pink cat, I am using brown color and will merge it with white to give it a glassy look, which is called in Hindi kanji aankhein. That's a very important step. For blue cat, I am using deep green color to make the eyes. Merge it with white again. With black color, make the pupil of the eye by creating a dot. Now the another hill I have done in the same way, but now I am feeling I want to distribute the red color of the sky in the foreground as well. So I'm using red color in the hill, red, yellow, and merge it with the green, normal green colors which we used in other hills. I have touched the other hills also with little bit yellow color, not very much, little bit yellow touch. I'm using sap green color, and it was getting difficult to get merged with colors itself, so I'm rubbing it with the fingers. It's the easiest way to merge the colors, because if you use tissue, all the colors will gone in the tissue itself. So use your finger always to rub the color to get it merged if you want to use rubbing technique. Otherwise color itself is enough to merge it. So here I have used a lot of red because I wanted to distribute the red color. It was only in the background, in the sky, nowhere else I was using red color. I'm giving little bit dots to spread the red color more in the trees. They will look like flowers. And the dog technique also will match with the cat texture. And we are almost done with the coloring. The complete look will look like this. I have made few more flowers in the foreground. Hope you enjoyed the session and you will try it at home. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Friends, if you have any queries, write in the comment box, and if you make this painting, don't forget to send me. Details are in description box. I will be back to you with new tutorial. Till then, bye bye.